Blakely Clothing Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Whenever you spot a trendy online fashion brand promising stylish looks for the everyday shopper, you might feel excited, but most people get this wrong by assuming that online hype equals true value. Here's why you should take a closer look at entity brand, Blakely Clothing, 0. Blakely Clothing is a US-based brand, founded in 2012, selling dresses, casual wear, hoodies, activewear and more. Their website shows current offers, promotions and free UTBID delivery. What you get for your money, trend-forward designs, appealing to social media-savvy shoppers who want a fresh look. Easy online ordering, with global shipping, but costs vary. Prices in the mid-range, more affordable than high luxury labels, but not ultra-cheap fast fashion. What you give up or should check. Customer feedback includes complaints about quality, long delivery times or difficulty with returns. For example, one Reddit user said, "Absolutely terrible quality hoodies, feel like Shine quality with their own branding site. The fit and material may not match expectations." For online brands, what looks good on the model or in a photo may feel different in real life. If you're ordering from outside the UK, e.g. India, factor in shipping, customs, return costs. The landing cost may rise. Here's how to evaluate the pricing. Step 1. Compare the item price with a similar piece from a trusted retailer in your country. Step 2. Review the fabric composition and customer reviews. If many mention poor quality, that reduces value. Step 3. Consider how often you'll wear the item. If it becomes a one-time wear, cost per use is high. Step 4. Check the return after sales policy. If returning is costly, that's a hidden cost. You won't believe what happens next if you skip the fine print. You order what looks like a great dress, pay the shipping, wait weeks, then find the fabric fades or the sizing is off. Suddenly the deal isn't so good. The surprising truth: stylish design matters, but so does durability and fit when judging value. In conclusion, if you love the Blakely style, are confident about your size and are okay with potential minor trade-offs in quality, you can find value. But if you expect premium materials, perfect fit and quick local delivery, you might want to compare other brands or local options first. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more clothing brand pricing explained and what you're really getting for your money.